The furniture manufacturing business is a diverse one, and today we are going to look at careers in traditional and modern furniture making.
Kia ora, my name is Joe. I'm 16 and I go to Manirewa High School. I'm looking into a career in furniture making.
Joel's first stop is Danske Møbler. They are a large-scale modern furniture design and manufacturing company. They produce for both outside clients and to supply their own retail showroom.
You do get a lot of satisfaction from making a piece an item. And that's what a lot of people that work with timber do, because it's actually something you can visibly see rather than something that's hidden behind a wall. So that you do get a lot of satisfaction, as well as being able to take it to the level where you can make a lot of things yourself as well. I think you've got to be a very practical person, good with your hands and the ability to put that into practice.
Hi there, I'm Joel.
G'day Joel, I'm Richard. Would you like to come and see what we do?
Oh yes, please. Okay.
As a top-end manufacturer, the majority of Danske Møbler's products are made from solid wood, so finish is everything.
Slide your hand across the top and pull it out with that hand. Then you've got a finished surface which is clean and straight, ready for the next operation.
Because Danske Møbler deal in large volume production, many operations are computer controlled.
Okay Joel, this is what we call a CNC machine. Yep. So we've got a lot of facility on here. It's a multiple boring machine as well as routering, and we can do a whole lot of horizontal boring as well. We've got 33 drills, we've got 3 large routers, and for the object we're going to do today, we're going to be boring a whole series of screw holes for a table. Okay Joel, this is a edge bander for putting veneer tape on. Basically what happens with this machine is that you have your veneer tape here. It runs through on a conveyor belt, your workpiece. We have a glue tank in here where we can heat our glue granules. The veneer tape gets put on and the excess gets docked off. Then as it's going through the conveyor belt, the saw cuts off the excess off one end and the excess off another end. Then it goes through to where 2 little knives trim the top and bottom and take the veneer off flush. Okay, now just turn it around, have a look at it. We check to make sure that it's clean, check to make sure that there's no damage, and that it's stuck on. It's all good.
You're always screaming out for people, the young guys that are coming through and girls that want to do a trade in furniture, machining, cabinet making. A lot of people move in and out of industries, so you need them coming through so that you can actually pass on those skills.
Apprenticeships range from 2.5 to 4 years. Kyle Graham is 18 months into his, and today he's meeting with his training assessor, Rod Karen.
And how's your training going?
Yeah, very good. Still enjoying it.
All right.
Definitely.
That's good. Are there any areas that you would like to further your training in or get more experience in?
Yeah, definitely. I'm always looking to broaden my horizons. I've had some experience in the computer machining, and I'd like to further that by expanding my knowledge on it.
Okay, we can do that. There are 3 unit standards that we can look at doing, and I can add them into your training plan and get you the current material, and we can set you on that path.
That'd
Sounds
be great.
exciting.
Excellent.
And you'll do good at it.
Thank you.
Within the furniture industry, there are other disciplines that apprentices may wish to specialise in, such as finishing and upholstery.
Well, Joel, what we're going to do today is we're going to actually convert one of these into one of these.
Oh, that sounds cool.
Yeah. I'm passionate about what I do. I enjoy what I do. The work is rewarding. It has, as I say, it's colourful. You pick up a different chair in a different colour, you feel as though you're doing a new thing every time.
Nice and comfortable. Next, Joel's off to try his hand at more traditional furniture making. Malloys specialise in making one-off pieces of furniture, from rough sawn wood through to the finished item.
Wood's just a natural product. It's warm, it's giving. I just like the fact you can make something tangible and at the end of the day see what you've done. And it's rewarding to think that someone thinks that what you do for a job is good enough to pay for and put it in their house, and you meet the people and you deal with them, and most people come back time and time again, and you sort of build up a relationship with them, and it's really nice. All right, so what we mostly do is one-offs. make orders for customers to their own specs, and they have rough sketches of what they want. So I thought we could make like a DVD rack or CD rack or something. Got any ideas of what you want to do? Or?
Oh yeah, I got a few ideas.
Cool. Just sketch something up and.
And there we have it.
All right, so the next step is timber.
Cool.
Our apprenticeships tend to go faster because the guys are doing more work on a daily basis, like different machines on a daily basis. We tend to be able to generally knock at least about a year off an apprenticeship. We have sort of a different mindset that we'd rather everyone can do everything, so you understand all the facets of the job, so you make it easier for the next person if there is a next person.
So Jesse, why do you choose this particular type of work?
Well, I've kind of grown up around it. My granddad has been a furniture maker, and so I kind of grew up watching him and seeing what he did, and I've just always kind of been interested in it. And also when I did wood tech at school, I was quite good at it and enjoyed it, so yeah.
Where do you find the skills in this line of work taking you in the future?
I'm not really sure. I'm just going to do my apprenticeship and then see where it takes me, because there's lots of opportunities you can do after you've done your apprenticeship, and you can branch off into maybe boat building and stuff like that.
I guess if you enjoy your job and you enjoy the materials you're working with, you're going to have a much nicer day at work, and it makes coming to work every day more enjoyable. But in saying that, lots of people, it grows on them a bit, like the smell of it, the feel of it. It might just, to some people it's just a block of wood, you know, it's just a piece of tree, a dead tree, but I just enjoy making things, and I like training people, and yeah, I just really enjoy it. I wouldn't do anything else. All right, Joel, that's how you turn some raw wood into a piece of finished furniture.
Cheers.
And it'll look even better when it's got DVDs in it.
Cool.
Yeah, we'd definitely look at Joel for an apprenticeship. He's keen on woodworking, he listens, yeah, we'd give him a crack.
Joel did well. He hopefully picked up a few ideas about the trade, what we do, and what it's all about, and hopefully gave him a bit of an insight into whether he wants to do this as a career.
I enjoyed getting in there, putting my hands into it and getting into it and getting dirty.
Apprenticeships range from 2.5 to 4 years. This is a great career for people who have a passion for wood and like working with their hands. There are no specific entry requirements, but NCEA Level 1 in English and Maths is preferred. Other useful subjects include woodwork, technical drawing, and workshop technology. Qualifications in the industry include Level 4 national certificates in furniture making, upholstery, and furniture finishing.
Supporting local content so you can see more of New Zealand on air.